Dinitrogen pentoxide decomposes to nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. The pressure increases from 50 mm of mercury to 87.5 mm of mercury in 50 minutes. We have to find the pressure after 100 minutes. Let us solve step by step. Let the pressure of dinitrogen pentoxide decomposed in 50 minutes be T1. Since gases are at constant temperature and volume, pressure is proportional to moles. At 50 minutes, the reactant left is 50 minus P1, nitrogen dioxide formed is to P1, and oxygen formed is P1 by 2. Substituting the total pressure gives P1 equal to 25. After 50 minutes, only 25 out of the initial 50 pressure units of reactant remain. So 50 minutes is exactly one half-life. 100 minutes means 2 half-lives. Therefore, the reactant left is 1/4 of the initial amount, which is 12.5. So the decomposed pressure is 37.5. Now add the partial pressures of remaining reactant and products at 100 minutes. This gives 106.25 mm of mercury. Therefore, the pressure after 100 minutes is 106.25 mm of mercury, so the correct option is D. For more clear step-by-step learning, keep practicing with Acharya.